Hey guys, we're gonna go to the gym today and do some exercises that'll help you stay in shape for motocross. Right, PJ? We'll see you inside. If you can, get on some kind of bicycle. Standing up and pedaling while on the spin cycle is a great way to build motocross endurance. You need to get those legs ready. There are so many different exercises you can do to build your core. This is a great one. It'll help you on the track. The idea here is to build a strong overall body. So when you crash, you don't get hurt. You can ride longer, ride faster, have more enjoyment, and reach that flow that we are all looking for. We have a great video that will help you with your form on the bike, dropping any day now. We don't want you to miss it. All you have to do is subscribe.